Want to send video messages on WhatsApp? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to send video messages on WhatsApp. So, let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now, select the chat where you want to send a video message. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the chat screen and tap and hold the camera icon. As soon as you hold it, WhatsApp will start recording a short circular video using your front camera. Don't want to keep holding the button? Simply swipe up while recording to lock the camera. This allows you to record hands-free. If you'd like to use the rear camera instead, just tap the camera switch icon during recording. Once you're finished, tap the red stop button and then hit the send icon. And that's it. Your video message will be sent instantly, and your contact can watch it directly in the chat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.